He says hi. My name is Horse.
The entire comment section is telling me that I'm the Walmart version of you.
Oh no.
So I'm like, I gotta meet this guy. Not gonna let Vegas beat me.
All right, how did you two meet?
Tinder.
Boys, this video is the most unscripted, all over the place jumble of clips I've ever put on the channel. And I was tempted to not even upload it, but there's some cool stuff in here. A lot of you guys are probably gonna enjoy it. Hopefully, it's kind of the whole reason I'm putting it up. But yeah, I met a lot of cool people, did a lot of cool stuff, went to SEMA, surprised my dad. It was cool, you know, met Adam LZ, met Jay Leno, met Tanner Smeedia for the first time, you'll see in this video. So yeah, a little bit of backstory. Told my dad that I needed help down at the house and that I was buying him plane tickets to come down here. Little did he know we were taking him to Vegas. So yeah, it's a fun video and I'll kind of guide you through so you're not like, dude, what the heck is happening? Because like I said, it's all over the place. My dad was one of the biggest influences getting me into the car community at a very young age. He was just like me. He loved turning wrenches, he loved building cars, and he still does. And it's one passion that we've always shared. Now, since I joined the military, I don't really get to see him very often. We live a good distance apart, but an event I've always wanted to go to, that he's also wanted to go to, is SEMA. And well, we're going in a week. So I need to call him, send him his plane tickets, surprise him, let him know that not only we're going to Vegas, but we're going to SEMA, and hopefully he'll be ready and have his bags packed by, well, Sunday. Yo, I'm gonna send you your plane tickets.
Oh, sure you are.
Alright, it should have sent. Just check it, make sure everything looks good.
You're funny.
What?
Albany to Las Vegas.
Yep. You know why we're going to Vegas?
I'm flying to Las Vegas.
You know why we're going to Vegas?
No.
We're going to SEMA.
No, we're not.
We're going to SEMA.
No, we're not.
Yep, next week, baby.
Get the fuck out of here.
So, hopefully you're ready.
I could have lost another 50 pounds.
That's not too good. Oh, we're moving. Well, my dad and I woke up around 6 this morning and got changed, went right down to the casino. My first time in Vegas, his first time in Vegas, and put $100 in. Well, $100 to spend for 2 hours or so. And we came out with $102.95. So we're up. Not gonna let Vegas beat me. So we got to Vegas on Sunday, spent all day Monday walking the strip, exploring the city, and now it is Tuesday, and we are heading to SEMA for the first time. Guys, look who I found.
We're here. We're at SEMA.
Jordan is at SEMA. And Jordan, you have yet to even see my car done.
No, I actually haven't seen the car in person. It was like getting ready. I was getting ready to go to Gatlinburg. I decided not to, which in the grand scheme of things, I think ended up being an okay decision.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I haven't even seen the car finished in person. I've only seen photos, and it's hurting my soul a little bit inside, but that's what we got right now.
Yeah, so Jordan made the body kit for my car, as you guys probably saw, and he has yet to even see the hatch. And maybe next year we'll be at SEMA, but this year we're just exploring.
That would definitely be the goal. I'd love to have my car at SEMA too. So if we could have a hatch and a sedan posted up at SEMA next year, that'd be huge.
Yeah, yeah.
I you doing?
Brandon, so funny story, for the longest time, my entire comment section is telling me that I'm the Walmart version of you.
Oh no.
So I'm like, I gotta meet this guy.
That's funny.
So
We
I was
gotta get a
wondering-
photo together. What do you do?
I build cars.
Okay, cool.
So you might have seen me before. I built like a twin turbo Subaru STI.
Okay.
It's like one of the first ones out there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's cool.
So then we kind of explored a little bit more and then made our way to the Hoonigan burn yard, which is just like big burnout pit. And I'm not going to show every clip I have from that. I'm just probably going to show like my favorite burnout truck. And it's kind of got me wanting to build a burnout truck of my own. So maybe one day. Obviously we got a ton of projects we got to finish up. So I'll show you this clip and then we'll go meet up with Tanner, or Smeedia as a lot of you guys know him as. And yeah, this is our first time meeting in person as well. So pretty freaking cool. Look who I found. Dude.
Found us on the street, man.
First line forever.
We're gonna go gamble. When are you gonna move back to Washington?
When I get out of the military,
Are you actually moving back to Washington?
are you gonna fund my stay?
Not in Spokane.
All right. What about Seattle?
Seattle sounds expensive.
All right. What about your shop?
You can live there.
All right.
I got a futon.
Looks like we got a deal.
I got a futon in there, man.
Waiting in line and there's no one here. Oh, it's so dark my camera can't even see you.
Look at that. Tell me that you're not getting murdered in here, dude. You're getting murdered in here.
What number is it?
221.
21? Why did we walk this way?
Wait, we're
Are we going the wrong way?
I love you too. Love you guys.
We didn't get the invite. We leave tomorrow. Oh no, I have to get used to a room being completely reversed?
Oh, it is bad in here.
I know. I'm turning the AC.
Dude, it's like hot steak.
I know.
Is there bloodstains in this one?
Hey, we get a roller coaster. Shit.
Dude, it
Does it?
stinks in here.
Dude, we have a full size. We have no lights.
Brother.
We have no lights. What do you mean?
Look at the upgrade, dude.
In the dark.
Hold on. Our old one, this was over here,
Oh, we have a
this
phone.
big,
We
and you
have
had to
a
either stand
phone.
this way and brush your teeth, or stand this way and wash your hands.
Wait, I need to check. Do we have a normal shower head?
Jeez. We're gonna get a noise complaint.
Brandon, look at the shower head. Look at that shower head.
Dude. We're gonna get a noise complaint.
Fuck the noise complaint.
Dude, this
What is she doing out here?
Oh god.
What did you bring? I have to pay for this.
I didn't break it.
Looks like you got a $50 credit.
Whatever.
Matt, does the TV work? No.
Brandon has entrusted me with this camera while he goes to do a poop. We're about to go get some food, but we're waiting on somebody. I'm gonna make him gamble all of his money away. He's gonna have to sell his hatch. He's gonna have to sell the Evo. He's gonna have to sell the Duramax. He's gonna have to sell it all.
So we've almost convinced Brandon that Thunder Down Under is a late night rave.
He has no idea.
No idea.
Eat more meat.
8 grams at dicks.
Dude, they got the Dick's Red Rocket.
Big stock crabs.
Yeah, we saw that outside. Like, if he's talking, get that shit, like, in his face.
Oh God.
Shove it in.
It's really, really hard to drink through a straw.
That made me fucked, man.
Yours says we have a camera and 3 guys. All I need is a room and we can film my 3rd gangbang.
We saw that one coming.
I knew it!
It says, like the Trojan Army, I too came inside a horse. Yours says, unlike the Trojan Army, the horse came inside me. This says, hi, my name is Horse. Hello, my
Sit
name's...
down next to him.
You hold hands? No. Interlock finger. Your hands are clammy.
They
You
always
nervous?
are. No, they always are. They always sweat a
He's
lot.
nervous.
Larry
Alright, how
showed
did you
me
two
last
meet?
Tinder. You know, it was Bumble.
Dude, what's going
That
on?
was Grindr.
It was Bumble.
Dude,
Grinder.
what's going on? And that's pretty much it. That is most of the content that I have from SEMA. Now, yes, I do have like a lot of burnout content, stuff like that, but I'm not trying to just make one big burnout video. So I personally had a great time, got to meet a lot of my internet friends that I've met on Instagram, met on YouTube, but never really met in person. So that was really cool. I know my dad also had a great time. I didn't get to film much with him. We were kind of separated throughout the event doing our own thing, but he got to meet Chip Foose, took 2 pictures with him. He looks absolutely just happy. Like, that's all I can say. He was super, super happy, and that makes me happy. So I think it was a successful trip. I definitely want to go back. SEMA was super, super cool. And yeah, that's the end of this really wild video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace out. See y'all later.